The new robotic welders increased efficiency by 20%.
Look at the torque on that assembly.
The structural integrity is unmatched.
Inside the massive Super Duty plant, human expertise and robotic precision combine to build the next generation of Ford trucks.
Look at that shine.
Another flawless build, team.
Ready for the road.
The laser scan shows a deviation of 0.5 millimeters right here.
Yeah.
That's within the tolerance range, but let's double check the welding near the joint.
Look at this cross section here.
The pulse indicates a slight anomaly, but the tablet shows it's within the acceptable range.
Good catch. Let's finalize the report.
Clear the line, we're bringing it down.
Confirmed. Coming down slowly.
Looks good, set it down. Cabin secured, moving to the next one.
This fluctuation is unacceptable. We need to adjust the calibration immediately.
Agreed. I'm initiating the override sequence on the auxiliary system now.
Look at this spike in the energy consumption graph right here.
That correlates with the throughput increase we saw earlier.
The stress test results on the coupling are within tolerance.
Confirmed. All parameters checked out. We are ready for sign-off.
The pressure readings are stable across all parameters.
And the scan data confirms structural integrity.
Excellent. It meets all requirements.
Great job, everyone.
Pride in every piece. This is American manufacturing.
Look at that alignment. Absolutely flawless.
That's the standard we uphold. American-made, globally unmatched.